Have you ever played Minecraft Bedrock Edition with the actions and stuff add-on? Then, after a month, your add-on suddenly starts glitching, items started glitching, even the totem, and you start wondering, is it the add-on or is it your phone? Don't worry, that happens, and you don't need to overthink it. I'll show you how to fix it. First, go to your main world and check if the glitch is still there. It probably is, so let's not waste time. Here's what to do. Click Menu and save your world. Go to Main Setting, then Accessibility. Scroll down until you see Block Dithering and Player Dithering. If those are turned on, turn them off. These settings are what usually makes the add-ons glitch, not your phone. Now go back to your world and you should be good. See? It wasn't the add-on or your phone. Your Minecraft settings were the real problem. To be honest, I'm not the real hero here. Shout out to this guy who shared this tip on someone's comment section, and that's it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.